Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. And today I have, I'm sort of late to the game here with the distress colored pencils, or what would be equivalent to like a watercolor pencil in the distress colors. These are sets 1 through 3. I know that sets 4 through 6 came out recently as of the timing of this video, but these are sets 1 through 3, and of course you can buy them individually, meaning that each set, not each pencil, as far as I know. So I'm just taking one of the tins and swatching them out. And this is the one with, I think it's got peacock feathers in it. So I'm just putting on some mixed media paper here and swatching them out. Now, I use a lot of water-soluble products in many forms. And so and of course, I've for a long time have used distress inks in my paper crafting, both the oxides and the regular inks. So I'm a long time user of the distress line. I did not get the distress crayons because I felt like they were too close to like gelatos type of things that I already had, but I thought I would try these out. I really like how they feel. I feel like they're, in terms of holding them, I like the thinness of them. I like the fact that there's not, it's all usable product pretty much, except for the paper wrapper there. And I know some people have sharpened them and taken the shavings and put them in a paint tin and then reused the shavings like that, which is a great idea. And so I'm using them here. I think they're fine. If you're committed to the distress line of colors, which they're all pretty colors, I think that they'll coordinate well with the rest of your stash. But in terms of like, if you're going to buy a color pencil, this wouldn't be where I would go. I felt like to get the pigment boldness that I like and I'm used to with my other products, it just wasn't there for me. So I think using these in paper crafting, it would be fine. I think using, like doing mixed media tags and that sort of thing where you want to coordinate with your other distress products is fine. I think they're a little pricey for I guess if you're looking at this as maybe an artist rather than they're maybe a hobbyist or something like that. If I don't know if I'm being very clear, but I guess that is to say is I like them. I wouldn't, get these if that's all I could get. If I had to choose between these and all the other watercolor pencils that there are to choose from, if that makes any sense. But again, I think it's more for people who are committed to the distress line. I do like how they feel. I like the style of them. I like the ease of use. I like the tins. I think the tins are really nice. I like the array of colors that you get with each set. So I guess I'm kind of looking at these as more of a collectible. I was hoping they would be a little bit better than what they were in terms of boldness and pigment and saturation type of thing. I felt like I had to press really hard on some of the colors to really get any sort of anything out really, which was a little disappointing. Some of the obvious darker ones and more bolder colors anyways were a little easier, but I feel like the lighter ones, I was doing them on another art project. I thought, I'll use one in here, and it just didn't play well at all with the other things I was using. So I don't know. I'm sort of split on it, but you gotta make your own decision. And I'll leave links down below. Hit like and subscribe. Maybe I'll do another video after having tried them out for a while and give an update video on that. And thank you for joining me. Have a great day.